Look around you. The modern world is addicted to the sound of its own voice. You watch people broadcast their every move, using words to relieve the anxiety of their own incompetence. But true power operates in a vacuum. Watch how the 0.01% handle a threat. They don't raise their voice. They don't negotiate. They deploy the Thomas Shelby Protocol and let the silence suffocate the room. When an opponent speaks, your biological instinct is to formulate an immediate response. You want to defend yourself. You want to prove you are right. Shelby does the exact opposite. By refusing to speak, he creates a psychological vacuum. The human brain cannot handle dead air. It panics. The other person will inevitably keep talking to fill the silence. And when they overtalk, they backtrack. They over-explain. They hand you their exact leverage simply because you refuse to open your mouth. Society tells you to be expressive, to show your emotions. This is a fatal strategic error. Emotion is data. And when you show it, you are handing your enemies the code to your mind. If you are angry, you are predictable. If you are predictable, you can be destroyed. Shelby's most terrifying asset is not his ambition. It is his absolute emotional restraint. His deadpan expression is an impenetrable armor. When an attack lands, his face gives away nothing, leaving his enemies completely blind to whether their strike was successful or entirely irrelevant. Understand this. The protocol is not just about keeping your mouth shut. It is a complete physical architecture. It is the slowness of your movements. It is the refusal to break eye contact when the tension spikes. The weak twitch. They fidget. They look away to relieve the pressure of the moment. The architect absorbs the pressure. You hold the gaze. You move with the agonizingly slow calculation of someone who already owns the room. You dominate the space, not by taking up oxygen, but by refusing to be rushed. Eventually, you will be directly disrespected. The masses will challenge your aura because it makes them feel small. Their instinct will be to provoke you into a reaction. The amateur immediately defends his ego. The strategist lets the insult hang in the air. When someone disrespects you, do not flinch. Look at them as if they have just spoken in a language you do not understand. Let their disrespect echo in the silence until they realize exactly how foolish they look. You do not absorb their chaos. You reflect it back at them. There is a profound paradox to this protocol. Because you have starved the room of your voice, your words undergo a massive inflation in value. The man who speaks constantly is ignored. But the man who remains silent for hours commands absolute authority the moment he finally opens his mouth. You do not speak to converse. You speak to execute. You observe in the dark. You gather the intel. And when you finally break the silence, it is only to deliver the final verdict. No negotiations. No wasted breath. This is the blueprint. Next time you are challenged, count to 3 in your head. Do not react. Let the silence do the heavy lifting. Disappear into the work and let them wonder what you are building. The Ghost Protocol is active. Subscribe to Mind of Influence. The war never ends.